Okay guys, what I have here is the new Shimano Anarchy series. This is the spin series. The previous video I did was the PE3, the jigging one, but this is the spin series I'm doing. This is the 702 light spin. This is 762 ultra light spin, and this one here is the medium light spin 702. And then you have the saltwater spin 702. Okay, now all these blanks are of course from the X, made from the X Technology construction. All has Fuji K series guides, and of course it's by Ian Miller. So let's have a look at one of them closer up. Anarchy. Ian Miller. As you can see here, 1 to 7 grams. I mean, 2 to 4 kilos. It's customized seat. You got cork and EVA. Oh, not cork. This one's cork. Miller. Let's look at the Fuji K. There's the Fuji K's guide. Very nice. This is the tip, top half. I think the Tony will like this rod. Okay. The Anarchy series has about 9 rods. I suppose the 702 light spin, the 762 ultra light spin, the 702 saltwater spin, the 742 saltwater spin, and then you have the 571 MBC. That's the bait cast one. Then you have the 702 medium light spin, and then of course you have 3 the PE's jigging one, the PE3, the PE5, and the PE8. Yeah, so check it out from Shimano by Ian Miller. Thanks for watching.